Hello guys, so we're gonna program Python and we're gonna learn indentation. Okay, so we're gonna say like numbers, like something like this, and then space, and then this. And okay, this one shift. Okay, now space, and then what should be? Oh no, not like this. There you go. Now we're gonna do this real quick. 89. This. And then, what number? 50. Okay, now we're gonna do shift. And this one, there you go. Cool. Now, go to return. Okay, there you go. We can see print now because we have a space. Okay, now let's press print. Okay, print, and then shift, and then finding for it. There you go. Now this one. Now I can type. I'm gonna type like something like my favorite food or something. No, fine. There you go. Now we are gonna go file, going to save all, and then yeah. Now we're gonna go go file again, file, and then save all, and then this, and then this one. Okay, and then there's a pineapple. Yay! Now we're gonna delete this. Okay. We're gonna delete all. Now we're gonna make a new word. Using the indentation again. Okay, now we're gonna change the numbers. This one, I'm gonna make the numbers later. Delete. Now, 90. And we're gonna put, not this, this one. There you go. Now we're ready to go to the other side. Oh, just like this, space. Now return. Now we can start doing the print, and then we're gonna go like this, shift 9, and then shift this. No, not this. This one. Oh, come on. There. Okay, now we're gonna go shift. We're gonna go this. Now let's do fire. Okay, now come on. Now go file, save all, go this, and then run to indentation. Okay. Now there's fire. Okay, so I'll show you something, guys. If you know, yeah, I'll show you something. We're gonna make two mistakes, just like this. Come on, space, and then 20, and then space, and then shift, and then this, and then 1, and then this. Now go return and then delete this. This is gonna be a wrong program this time. Okay, so we are gonna say do print print like this, and then go 9 and then shift this. Now we're gonna tell. Now let's go file, save all. We're gonna is this an error this time? I don't know. Oh yes, there's an error. So we're gonna fix it. There you go. Fix this. Now we're gonna do 6. We're gonna do what number? 10? Hopefully this is not a mistake. Okay, there you go. Now maybe it's real. Okay, we're gonna go save all. Click this, run 002 version. Okay, now it says still now. Yay, we fix it. Okay. Okay, so this is how you fix like a wrong program. Yeah, you need to go space. This one is for less. This one is a high number. Okay, and remember you need also a space, and this sign means greater. Okay, so okay. Okay, I think this will not print, guys. Just watch me, okay? So we're gonna do 20. We're gonna do this 10, and then this one, delete. Print, and then. Okay, I think we're kind of making a mistake. Yeah, a kind of mistake. There you go. Now we're gonna put 454. Now, how about Chef R 15? There you go. Now we're gonna go file. Okay, go save all. Do this and then run to Indentation. Oh, and then it's nothing. That's why it's wrong. So, how to fix it, guys? Go right here. Change it to any big number if you want. Just like 90. And there you go. Now you can go like this, and then we're gonna go file and save all, and then go here, and then here, and then it's working. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe and like. Bye bye.